Hey guys, welcome to Old School Cooks. Today I'm going to show you this ridiculously easy pizza hack for your leftover pizza. You will be amazed. This is all you need. You have to try this because your leftover pizza is going to blow you away. So let's get started and I'm going to show you this ridiculously easy pizza hack. Right, Rock? Still no words. Cheers. All right, guys, so here I have 2 cold pies, pepperoni, sausage, and of course plain. That is not cut. I cut it myself and use this ridiculously easy hack to transform this cold pizza into hot, fresh, crispy, just like you get a slice out of the oven from your favorite pizza shop. So I will show you this ridiculously easy pizza hack, and you will say to yourself, why haven't I thought of this sooner? So let's get started, and I hope you enjoy. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel, so you'll get more tips, tricks, hacks, and of course, simple, easy, awesome recipes. Cheers all, appreciate your support. Now, let's get started with this awesome hack. All right, guys, so I just have my griddle, or you can use a large skillet, whatever you have that's large, that's gonna hold at least 1 slice, preferably 2, just so you know. Your friend is not gonna be jealous of your pizza while you're eating it if you only heat up 1 slice. Medium low heat, that's all you need. And just take out a cover and cover it. About 5 minutes. That's all you have to do, guys. The crust gets a little crispy. The cheese can be as hot if you want to burn the roof of your mouth, or as cool as you want it. If you take the cover off, it's not going to heat up as rapidly up top, just the bottom. I like it pretty hot all the way around, and I love it a little crispy on the crust. This is all you have to do. Microwave? Toaster oven? Yeah, pretty good. Oven, pretty good too. But the skillet is the bomb. All right, guys, that's all you have to do. You're gonna see the pizza as if it just came out of the shop, out of their pizza oven, and it's awesome. It's gonna be your go-to way, your favorite slice right there. You reheat it this way, you will be happy, trust me. I hope you enjoy it, and we're gonna see the heated up slice ready for my consumption in just the blink of an eye. All right, guys, so this has been on the stovetop for about 7 minutes, and you can see how it's bubbling a little bit. It is nice and crispy. You can hold it like this. You don't have to fold it over, and it is delicious and hot. I just burnt my fingers, but it's all good. I'm gonna put on the plate, show you the finished product, well, finished reheat, and I'm gonna enjoy it. Cheers. All right, guys, and there you have it. The slices heated up, ready to go. A slice for Moss, a slice for me, and it's all good. It's hot, crispy, delicious. And I'm sorry, I just gotta take a bite right now. So good. Cheers all. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry that I'm chewing in your ear. I thank you for your support, and please, hit that like button, click that bell to stay notified, subscribe if you hadn't already, and I'll be sure to bring you some more celebratory snacks real soon. Cheers. Thank you so much for watching. Delicious.